Have you ever noticed that some people, the moment they enter a room, grab everyone's attention without saying a single word? But the real question is, what exactly is it about these people that draws attention without them uttering a single word? Well, friends, the biggest strength these individuals have is their body language. Body language is a universal language that needs no introduction. It conveys your personality, confidence, and energy even before you speak. The way you carry yourself communicates your inner mindset and emotions, even in silence. Today, we'll explore how you can improve your body language and capture attention without saying anything at all. So, let's begin this video. Let's start with the way you walk. While walking, keep your back straight, take balanced and natural steps, and keep your gaze forward. Don't walk so fast that it seems like you're rushing, and not so slow that you appear tired or unenergetic. Keep your shoulders relaxed and your chest slightly open, allowing your arms to swing naturally. This walking posture sends a clear message. You are confident and self-aware. Next comes an equally important aspect, the way you stand. Whenever you're standing somewhere, distribute your weight equally on both feet. Keep your head straight and your chest gently open. Let your arms rest naturally, either by your sides or lightly clasped in front of you. Leaning on one foot or against a wall can make you appear careless or defensive. Remember, the way you stand is your first impression. These small habits can bring big changes to your life. Not only do they boost your confidence, but they also leave a strong and respectful impression on others. Practice in front of a mirror for a few minutes each day, and gradually, this body language will become a natural part of who you are.